Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. It's got a pre-log, pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 860,000 miles total with 33,000 miles on a full overhaul. I've gotten hot this morning. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll check out blow-by oil pressure, full walk around. Steers, frame looks good. Blow-by looks good. Body and paint in real good shape. All your aluminum adjustment pilots. Excellent drives as well. Excellent brakes. Up there on the storage box. That's about it on the body and paint. Everything else looks really good. Platinum interior. Temps dropped just a little bit since I fired it up. See, with good low side oil pressure, super smooth to the RPMs. Sounds great. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call or text 901-896-4526, or you can email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.